intramural experience tested not only the physical abilities of the participants but also their psychological resilience, highlighting challenges like stress, anxiety, and emotional well-being. As we reflect on the interviews, it's evident how these events impacted students' mental states and self-perception. By exploring abnormal psychology themes such as performance-related stress, anxiety, and resilience, we can better understand their cognitive processes. Their responses show how they handled competition pressure, emotional stressor, and ultimately learn to overcome challenges.
Ako nga po pala si John Andre Tigigornia from College of Accountancy. Ang role ko sa sila namin is bilang Prince, partner ng board.
First question is, what motivated you to join the intramural? And did your motivation develop throughout the year?
Ang motivation ko lang naman din sa intramural is to have fun and help my college po. To win and, to get the trophy.
Can you share a memorable or emotionally impactful moment you experienced during the intramural?
I think one of the parang memorable is yung parade nga and yung performance ng senior high school pati ng dance group. Kasi lalo sa dance group may mga kaibigan kami doon. So I think that one thing is memorable. Yes.
Did you experience physical symptoms of stress or anxiety during the events, and how did you handle it?
Yes, lalo na ngayon na parang garapan nga mag-practice dyan, may sports pa ako, so laging masakit yung katawan ko and stress pa lalo sa mga academics, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, paano na-overcome? I just parang tinulog ko na lang.
About anxiety?
Anxiety, yun ang, I think wala naman.
Were there any specific events or situation you found particularly stressful, and how did you cope?
One of the stressful moments na sa transit sa mga member namin na hindi nakikinig, mga pasaway, yung sinasabihan na link, nagpapalit pa din, mga ganyan.
Did you have any routine or techniques to manage stress, anxiety, or distraction during your performance?
Ang para sa akin, na ginagawa ko po talaga sa mga parang mga ganung mga situation, parang kinakondisyon ko yung utak ko na parang minsan lang to, ngayon lang to, magdatapos to, tapos na lahat. Tapos parang ganun lang po. Have fun, ganyan.
How did the support from your teammates or coaches influence your experience? Were there moments when the support was particularly impactful?
May mga times na, yun nga, yung coaches, pati yung members nga, parang natutulungan kami lahat. And of course, may mga times na yung coach namin nagagalit. But yung galit niya kasi is parang, para sa ikabubuti namin, mga ganyan. And nagsasabi rin siya sa amin ng mga parang, yung mga parang lessons sa amin para madala namin paglaki namin.
Can you recall a time where you overcame a significant challenge during the intramural? What helped you in that?
I think yung challenge ngayon sa intramural is yung parang schedule namin, lalo ng bagyo. Kasi nawalan kami ng oras para mag-practice. Tapos hindi pa namin tapos yung mga steps namin. So ang ginawa talaga namin doon, after nung bagyo na yun, nag-practice whole day. Parang ganun po.
How do you feel participating in the intramural has affected your mental health?
I think intramurals it affects me in a good way. Lalo sa mental health ko, lalo na madali ako ma-board sa mga parang physical things, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, ngayon na nasa iyo saya, yung sports na mamaya, and this week, I think kahit yun, natutulungan yung mental health ko and also the physical health.
What personal insights or lessons did you gain from your intramural experience, especially regarding stress?
Personal insights ko lang naman for this hindrance is lalo na maraming parang makukulit ko, ganyan. Parang makinig lang sa mga coaches, makinig sa mga may alam, and parang have fun, and you only live once, might as well do it. Ang ganun yung tali.
What advice would you give to students nervous about participating? How can schools better support mental health during the competitive event?
I think kung masasabi ko lang is parang minsan lang itong intrams, 4 years lang tayo sa college. So, you might as well do it. Kasi paglaki natin, hindi natin ma-experience. So, lalo na pag working adult life na. So, hanggang may time, hanggang may hanggang may event, sali naman sali. Parang yun na yun.
The participants' experience in the intramurals reveals the positive impact of adaptive coping strategies, social support, and resilience on managing the performance-related stress. He used self-talk and mental conditioning to stay focused and reframe the competition as a fun experience, which helped him to handle the academic pressure and physical strain without cave in to anxiety. Social support from coaches and teammates provided guidance, motivation, and a sense of belonging, which is crucial in overcoming the challenges. This resilience highlights on how effectively the individuals can adapt stress when they have both self-regulation skills and a supportive network.
The intramurals had a constructive effect on the participants' mental health, self-esteem, and personal growth. Engaging in the event gave him a sense of purpose, kept him busy, and increased his self-worth by accomplishing goals and mastering new skills. The experience also led to personal insights about enjoying life, valuing discipline, and seeking guidance from mentors, all of which contributed to a growth-oriented mindset. The participant advises future students to take part in intramurals as he believes it fosters social connections, mental resilience, and a sense of achievement, which are invaluable as they transition into the professional life.
Morning. For your first question, how did you feel mentally and emotionally as the intramurals approach? Did you notice any changes in your usual stress levels or routines?
Yes, yun sa mentally, before yung festival dance namin, kalmado ako. Pero nung nandun ako sa venue, di na papakali, di ko alam kung may naiwan ba ako. As in yung pagpupunta ko dun sa festival, ulit-ulit ako, tingin sa gamit ko. Di ko alam kung may naiwan ba ako, wala. Sabay sa emotionally naman, may nagbago during yung pagtawag ng mga nanalo. Kasi unexpected talaga yung pagkapanalo namin during kahapon. Kaya nagsigawan kami. Una, malungkot na ako nung kasi wala kami sa top 3 at top 2. Nung pagsabing top 1 kami, doon nag-change yung mood ko. Naging okay.
Number 2, can you share if there were any times when you felt a sense of self-doubt or question your abilities? And then, paano ka nag-respond doon?
Yung sa sayaw. Kasi pang-pito kaming sasayaw. Sabay nung first 4 na panood namin, maraming nagkamali. Kaya nagulat ako na marami na baka magkamali na ako, natatakot ako na magkamali, lalo na maraming nanonood, kinakabahan din ako. Ang ginawa ko noon, tinanong ko yung pinsan ko kung kinakabahan din siya. Nung sinabi niya kinakabahan din siya, nawala yung kaba ko. Kasi comforting na hindi lang ako yung kinakabahan, marami kami.
Was there a moment during the event when you felt unusually nervous or overwhelmed? How did you manage those feelings in the moment?
Ayun nga, dun sa kinakabahan kami dun sa announcement ng ng mananalo sa pahiyat ay sa festival dance. Nung pagsaya pala ng top 2 na hindi CBA, na doon na kami ng lumo, kabado na kami. Tapos nung sinabi na yung top 1, doon lalo kami ng kinabahan. Nung pagsabi ng pahiyas, doon kami. Ayun yun, doon kami na-overwhelmed na ang ganda pala talaga ng sayaw namin, lalo na ang taas nung binigay sa amin ng sport.
Ito, maganda. Did you find yourself downplaying or denying the stress of the situation to stay focused? How did that approach work for you?
Ayun, katulad nung yung sa sinabi ko yun sa pinsan ko na di lang naman ako kinakabahan. Kaya wala na akong di ko na lang pinansin na kinakabahan ako kasi di lang naman ako, lahat naman kami mag-perform.
Kumbaga, may kaano ka naman, kinakabahan din
Kinakabahan din siya.
So,
Kinomfort ko lang sa sarili ko. Kaya dininay ko na lang yung things ko na kinakabahan.
When you felt the pressure, did you talk to someone to help you manage it? And was there anyone whose advice or presence made the difference?
Meron yung pinsan ko. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, nung tinanong ko siya kung kinakabahan siya, sinabi niya kinakabahan din siya. nakaramdam ako ng comfort na hindi lang ako kinakabahan, kaya okay na lang sa akin.
If you experience any self-doubt or distress during the intramurals, what did you learn about yourself from facing those feelings?
Yung sasayaw namin na maraming nag-choke nung unang nag-perform. Sabay after nung performance, doon ako hindi nag-doubt sa sarili ko kasi kami nga yung nanalo. Ayun.
Did you find that managing stress here taught you anything that might help you in other areas in life?
Yes, mas maraming magagawa kapag hindi stress. Tulad nung nung sasayaw nga namin kahapon. Muntik na ako magkamali noon dun sa introduction namin kasi nag-blank talaga yung utak ko noon. Buti na i-raos pa rin namin.
After the games, did you find yourself reflecting on what you could have done differently, and how did this reflection affect your self-esteem or outlook in the similar events in the future?
Yung sa last part namin ng sayaw, yung ako lang yung nagkamali doon sa ending nga. Kaya ang gawin ko sa susunod na, sa next year, makikinig na ako lagi sa coach namin.
The participants' experiences reveal insight into the psychological themes of performance-related anxiety, stress management, and resilience. As the event approached, he experienced acute anxiety indicated by repeated checking of his belongings, a form of stress behavior aimed at gaining control. Self-doubt also arose during the performance upon seeing the crowd and other teams, but seeking reassurance from a cousin provided comfort, reducing feelings of isolation and boosting confidence. This social support was crucial, helping the participant manage stress by normalizing his anxiety. Additionally, he used cognitive reframing by focusing on enjoyment, which allowed him to stay grounded during the event and even find pride in his accomplishment once they won the competition.
The participants' reflection afterward showed a positive shift in self-esteem, as winning changed his self-perception and built confidence for future events. Notably, his ability to acknowledge mistakes and focus on improvements highlights a resilient mindset and growth in self-awareness. These experiences underscore the role of coping strategies such as social support and self-reflection in managing stress, which can prevent the escalation of anxiety symptoms. By focusing on lessons learned and areas for growth, the participants displayed a strong psychological resilience that could support their mental health beyond the intramurals, positively influencing future challenges and social interaction.
Can I ask for your name? My name is Jean. Ano gagawin mo ngayon for me? Sumali ako sa festival dance. Okay, tatanungin lang kita ng ilang questions. Okay. First, what motivated you to join the intramurals, and did your motivation evolve throughout the year?
So, nung unang motivation ko to join is for the grades talaga, since may grades na yung bagsak.
Pwede ka ba mag-share ng any memorable or emotionally impact moments during the intramurals?
Memorable ako sa festival dance. Nag-connect kasi siya. Yung pag na-connect kasi yung buong department.
Pero during the intramurals, nakaranas ka ba ng any stress or anxiety? And paano mo siya i-handle?
Yes, nakaranas din ako ng kasi sa pagod sa pag-practice. Yung pag-handle ko lang. Nag-connect lang ako sa mga kasama ko mismo para nakikita lang nila kung ano yung dapat kong gawin. And yung thoughts talaga, alagaan mo yung kung ano yung oras.
Okay. So, bale, meron bang specific talaga na events kung saan talagang na-stress ka?
Parang one day before yung na bumagsak.
Paper nagsakit ka.
Namatay ka talaga. Okay.
So, meron ka bang any routines or techniques para ma-manage your anxiety, stress, or mga distractions during sa performance?
Meron. Ang una is parang unahin daw muna. Okay, so syempre, and then yung visit after the so,
practice mo sa festival, paano nakasuporta yung teammates mo o yung teachers mo doon sa experience na nangyari sa atin?
Nakasupport ko sila sa break rooms, yung sila yung nag-help sa kanila. Malay ko sa kanila.
So, yung mga moments ka na na-feel mo talaga yung support ng teammates from coaches. Pwede ba bang alalahanin paano mo na-overcome yung significant challenge na yun during the intramurals? Or what helped you in that moment?
Ako na nakadulong sa akin yung both chess and kasama ko din sa abang kami sa perform. Like, sobrang makatulong sa akin. Kasi sila ngayon, makaalala talaga sa action. Kasi narinig mo na guys, makatulong talaga sa akin. Parang magkalinga mo kami for the intram. Yung parang alagaan mo yun sa
Ano naramdaman mo or paano naka-apekto yung intramurals na yun doon sa mental health mo or sa self-esteem mo?
Naka-apekto siya sa self-esteem. Kasi mas tumaas yung confidence ko like na hindi naman pala nararamdaman sa yung sa mga tao nakapagod ko. Like, mas tumaas ako sa hindi naman nakapagod ko. Yung mental health naman, parang hindi nakabay siya. Mas na-recharge talaga. Talaga yung utak ako. During the event, after the event din ako, parang mas ginilahan na rin mag-aral kasi nakapagpahinga sa
Lahat na nangyari, anong lesson or insight yung nagain mo dun sa experience na yon, especially dun sa stress and competition na naramdaman mo? Doon sa lahat na nangyari, ano yung lessons or insight na nagain mo dun sa experiences mo? And especially doon sa stress at competition na na-feel mo?
Ang insight ko is parang huwag yung sarili mo kapag sinagpapili mo pala malaki yung tendency mo sa akin along the way. So, natutulang ka din na huwag mo ang sarili. So, pagpaganda, sumunod kasi kasama yung pagpaganda para mabigyan ka ngayon.
Okay, so last question, anong advice yung magigib mo sa mga students, sa mga participants na nininervyos bago mag-intramurals or bago mag-participate, and how can schools better support mental health during these competition events?
Sabi ko sa mga students na support is ang connect talaga sila dun sa mga kasama nila or sa teammates or dun sa kasama nila sa basketball kasi importante na share mo sa kanila kung may nararamdaman para matutunan ka like malaman mo talaga kung sa school.
How can schools better support mental health during competitive events?
Siguro bigyan lang ng students kasi mahirap kapag nag-burnout ka on the process. So, sa tagal ng paghahanda sa students, may tendency talaga silang maparados. Pero kailangan lang sabihin nila na-motivate ka sa
The participant initially joined the intramurals reluctantly as a mandatory activity but gradually found enjoyment and motivation, especially aiming for her team to win. She experienced notable stress and anxiety due to high expectation and her choreographer's strictness, which are typical sources of performance-related stress. To cope, she used effective strategies like talking with teammates for emotional support and practicing breathing exercises to manage her anxiety. This shift in motivation and her use of coping mechanisms highlight her resilience and adaptability in a high-pressure environment.
Social support played a key role in participants' resilience. Sharing worries with teammates and receiving encouragement from coaches helped her cope with intense rehearsals and pre-performance anxiety. easing her self-doubt and building a sense of camaraderie. This support reduced her performance anxiety and fostered personal growth, boosting her confidence and positive outlook. Reflecting on her experience, she emphasized the importance of accepting stress as natural and using constructive coping strategies. Her advice to other students underscores the value of overcoming nervousness and seeking supportive environments to maintain mental well-being in high-pressure situations.
The participants' experiences in the intramurals highlights key themes of performance-related stress, anxiety management, and the role of social support in mental health. The participants face significant stress and anxiety due to high expectations, but strategies like self-talk and breathing exercises help manage these feelings and allow them to view stress as a natural part of the performance rather than something to be feared. This shift in perspective emphasizes stress as an opportunity for growth. Social support from teammates and coaches play a crucial role in alleviating self-doubt and reducing anxiety. Encouragement and reassurance from others foster resilience, strengthen motivation, and make the experience more enjoyable. The participants' journey underscores the importance of social bonds in managing stress and maintaining mental well-being, especially in competitive environments. Overall, the intramurals provide a real-life experience of how competition and stress can affect mental health, while highlighting the importance of coping strategies and social support in maintaining psychological well-being.